Today we'll be discussing two essential services on Google Cloud, Cloud Run and App Engine. First, let's talk about App Engine. App Engine apps are composed of a single application resource that can consist of one or more services. This makes it ideal for developers who want to focus on the code without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure and all the management that goes with it. On the other hand, Cloud Run is a managed compute platform that runs containers on Google's scalable infrastructure. Cloud Run will really simplify the deployment of containers, and it lets you run your applications in a fully managed environment with very little configuration required. With Cloud Run, you could focus on your applications, knowing it can scale automatically as your traffic grows. App Engine features. So App Engine has a few powerful features that make it a flexible choice for deploying your web applications. First, the environments are based on Compute Engine, and they get that flexibility from Compute Engine in your deployments. App Engine also supports a wide array of CPU and memory configurations, so you can scale your applications as needed. There's nothing too big or nothing too small anymore. Additionally, App Engine offers native features such as microservices, authorization, and both SQL and NoSQL databases. So that makes it easier to build modern distributed applications, because that's the way we're going now. We're using a microservices route. Another great feature is traffic splitting, so you can direct traffic between two different versions of your app. And finally, with managed virtual machines and automatic scaling, we don't have to worry about infrastructure management anymore. App Engine is going to handle all that for us. And it provides automatic scaling, again, based on the incoming load. So you can scale up or you can scale down, and you can set your scaling based on how you want to scale your application. So are you going to scale it based upon requests or some other metric? The opportunities are there. So what are some use cases for App Engine? App Engine shines in several real key use cases, and it makes it a really versatile tool for a lot of applications. One of the primary uses is high traffic web applications. Because of those automatic scaling features that we just discussed, they are crucial because it's very unpredictable when you're talking about web traffic. If you have a web store, you may have a sale. You'll get a lot of web traffic. A couple weeks later, sales go down, traffic goes down. You don't have to worry about scaling that infrastructure. For developers, it's great for building microservice-based architectures. So App Engine simplifies deploying and managing these services. App Engine is a great choice for mobile backend services, and it gives a reliable and scalable platform that you can easily integrate with mobile applications. And finally, great for real-time data processing. App Engine's flexibility and scalability come into play here with real-time data processing. Cloud Run offers two primary capabilities: services and jobs. Cloud Run services are designed to respond to requests or events, making them ideal for API endpoints, web applications, and background processing tasks that need to scale on demand. Cloud Run jobs, on the other hand, are perfect for tasks that have a defined beginning and end. These jobs perform a function and then stop when the function is complete, making them suitable for data processing or batch operations. By combining services and jobs, Cloud Run really gives you that flexibility needed to handle various complex workloads from event-driven architecture to background tasks. Cloud Run comes with some real great features that make it a strong contender for modern applications. Each service you create gets a unique HTTPS endpoint, which makes it easy to expose your application securely to the world. Cloud Run supports fast request-based auto-scaling, which means that as demand for the service grows, Cloud Run is going to automatically scale your application. Additionally, traffic management is built directly into the service, So that allows you to control traffic distributions between different versions of your services seamlessly. That's great for testing. You can put up a new version, deploy it, then you can route, say, 10% of that traffic to the new version and see how it reacts. And Cloud Run also offers flexibility in terms of access control. So services can be either public or private depending on your security needs or depending on what the application is actually doing. In addition to scaling and traffic management features, Cloud Run offers other vital benefits. For example, instances are added or removed based on incoming requests, ensuring that you only pay for the compute resources you actually use. This is complemented by a pricing model that is per use or instance based. So you're paying by the number of requests or by instance usage. Another consideration is that container file system in Cloud Run are memory and non-permanent. And this makes Cloud Run ideal for stateless applications or workloads where data persistence isn't required, but performance is. And it's just something to be aware of when you're designing your services. Cloud Run is designed to handle a variety of use cases, making it a flexible platform for a lot of different types of applications. Like we say, it's great for running websites and web applications, offers easy deployment and scalability. Another common use is APIs and microservices, where Cloud Run's container-based architecture really shines. It allows you to deploy these microservices independently and scale them based on demand. Finally, Cloud Run is well suited for streaming data processing, where it can handle high throughput workloads with really low latency. And these use cases show just how versatile Cloud Run is when it comes to deploying and managing containerized applications. So when it comes to Cloud Run jobs use cases, they're particularly useful for tasks that are event-driven or batch-oriented. So when a job might be triggered to execute a particular task and then stop when it's done. And that's what the real benefit of Cloud Run jobs are here. They're one-off jobs or jobs that may repeat every hour or 15 minutes, whatever you really desire. Cloud Run also supports array jobs. So it allows you to run multiple tasks in parallel, which is great for, say, processing large data sets or distributed workload. And scheduled jobs are another powerful feature. It allows you to automate recurring tasks, such as database backups or periodic